Hello everyone, I'm Clinton Robinson. I graduated from Haralson County in 2015. I'm currently working at Wayne Davis Concrete in their quality control department as a field technician. So a lot of what I do is I'll go to the plants and I'll test the concrete for the spec that it's supposed to be in. And if something's wrong, then we'll make changes and make sure that it's what the customer ordered. So, three big things that stand out to me as far as this STEM thing is science, technology, and math. Use those a lot. Uh, Science, I think we do a lot of testing, of course, but we also we'll take portions of concrete that we take to a job before it's set up, and we'll make cylinders out of it. And then we'll take those cylinders, and as they set, we'll follow it along. Hopefully the goal is by 28 days you reach a desired strength that can be measured in pounds per square inch, PSI. So along the way we'll test each different cylinders, but it's all the same concrete, right? And um, so we take that portion, we'll take it to a or we'll take those cylinders and we'll take it to a hydraulic press, and then that hydraulic press will be able to measure what PSI that concrete fails at, which is hopefully what it's designed to be at. So as far as math, there's a lot of water is a key ingredient in concrete, but too much of it is not a good thing. So we have chemicals that we add to it to be able to increase the workability of the concrete without sacrificing the strength that we want. So these chemicals are they have different dosages, and you adjust them by percentages, and you have to know, if you want this many ounces added into this batch, then it has to be this percent in order to get to that many ounces in the whole truck. It's kind of an odd and complicated thing to think about, but so we do a lot of math, percentage-wise, making sure that we don't exceed what's called a water to cement ratio, which is just how much water to how much cement powder is put into a batch. So, but lastly, we use technology. We have a software system that not only helps us track where a truck is just in general, but we can track, there's probes inside the drum that can measure the information that we need for the workability of the concrete, the temperature of the concrete, all these key things that we have to know, and we can follow it as it goes from the plant all the way to the job. And when it gets there, we can see, what did it arrive at the job, what kind of specifications did it have there, and if we need to make changes at the plant, we can do that. So that's just a few things, short. There's a lot in depth that you can have, but definitely enjoy my time at Haralson County, and I'm proud to be an alumni. So.